Alright guys, welcome to Nick's Fishing Time, and today we are with Caleb once again.
Hello.
We're going to be fishing for some bluegill, and we might catch a bass, but Kiki or Candy Kiki's trying to catch a bluegill. Alright guys, so I got a piece of worm and a split shot right here, and we're going to catch a bluegill. We're each going to take turns catching bluegill. We've already caught some bluegill, but then Candy Kiki said we could do video, so let's do video. So let's see where we could throw it. Where were we throwing it, you remember?
It was like around over there.
It was like an open space. I think it was here, actually. Oh, they're all, oh my gosh. They're right here.
Nick, be careful.
I just saw like a, I don't know, I think I
don't
saw a
see any.
crappie. It was white. Watch this, guys. What is it? I think that was a bass. I got one.
Bluegill.
Alright guys, so I just caught a bluegill right here. It was a small one. It was a small one after all.
It's like barely moving.
He's finding me, but we're good. He got hooked well. Alright, he's out. Let's throw him back, guys. Bye-bye. Alright, it's Kiki's turn. You want to go?
I guess.
Can I go? Oh, Caleb's turn. I'm going to throw it over there for him. Alright, ready? Wait, let me see. I don't see anything, though.
You said just be patient. Dude.
Yeah, but
Most of them were over there.
I know that might be why. They're over here. They're over here. I see one. Real!
Oh shoot! I got one. Wow, this is a tiny one.
It's a really tiny
Oh,
one.
that one's so little, baby.
Okay,
Wait, this is a tiny one right here.
Let me
Alright, I cannot record. All right, chill out, bluegill. Chill out. This is gonna be a hard one to hold. Oh shoot!
That's a very small one.
That is so small. Shoot, bro. This one's spine.
Hard. There. Got it. You want to take it out?
Down.
There you go.
Just throw it in. You don't have to go that.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Right now it's Kiki's turn. Just throw it in that. More out. In there. Right there, perfect. Over here, they're eating it over here, I think. Yeah, over here. You have one real. Oh, you lost him.
What is this?
Leave it there. They're over there. They're all the way over there. You see where the bird just got taken? Right there.
Where?
Throw it there. Perfect right there. Something's gonna eat it. Real! Yes, we caught one. Finally.
This one's moving a lot. Okay.
Kiki got one.
Alright, guys.
So let's throw him back. Look at these bluegill. They're so amazingly beautiful. Look at the blueness in it. Alright,
They're really pretty.
let's throw him back. This is going to be a long shot. Belly flop. Alright guys, so we have now fished every single one of us. So now I don't know what we're gonna film now. We're just gonna film random stuff.
Yeah, anything random that happens.
Let's do a montage, right?
Okay, yes.
Epic montage.